Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to download and set up Surfshark VPN on your Android device, and then explain the key features that make it a good choice for online privacy and security. If you want to try Surfshark for a great price, there is a link in the description below. Start by unlocking your Android device and making sure you are connected to the internet. Open the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type Surfshark. Tap on the Surfshark app in the results, then tap Install. The app will download and install in a few moments. You can also download it in the APK form, if you prefer that. Go to Surfshark website and download it from there. Once the app is installed, tap Open. If you already have an account, enter your login details. If not, you can sign up inside the app. Surfshark offers different subscription plans. Choose the one that fits your needs. After logging in, you are ready to start using the app. Now let's look at what Surfshark can do. One of the most important features is online privacy. When you tap Connect in the app, your internet connection becomes encrypted. This means your personal data, like your passwords or messages, is hidden from hackers or websites trying to track you. Another useful feature is the list of server locations. Surfshark has servers in many countries. You can tap the Location tab and pick the country or city you want to connect to. This gives you more control over your connection and helps you find faster speeds or specific content. Surfshark also includes something called Clean Web. This blocks ads, trackers, and malicious websites while you browse. It makes your browsing experience faster and safer. You can turn this on in the Settings menu. There is also a feature called Kill Switch. This protects you if your VPN connection drops. When it's on, it will block internet access until the VPN is back. This keeps your real location and data from leaking. You can find Kill Switch in the settings as well. Surfshark allows unlimited devices with one subscription. This means you can use the same account on your Android phone, your tablet, your laptop, or even your smart TV. Another tool is Bypasser. This lets you choose which apps use the VPN and which don't. For example, you can make your banking app use your normal connection while everything else uses the VPN. Once you're done, you can disconnect by tapping the Disconnect button. Reconnecting is just as easy. You can also set it to auto-connect when your device starts or when you join a public Wi-Fi network. Now you know how to download, install, and use the main features of Surfshark VPN on Android. I have mentioned link in the description for you to try Surfshark VPN at a great price.